Hello everyone, my name is Akshay. Today we are going to learn about what is Arduino. So see, Arduino is actually a platform where we can do such a type of lots of things. Okay. So see, for understanding this device, firstly, let's just see what is it exactly and how it's look like. So here we have this one. So as you can see on my screen, this is actually called as an Arduino. So see, Arduino is what? Arduino is a electronic platform which is control the input and output devices at a single time. For example, like if you want to be control any type of light to be turned on and off on the basis of coding, and as well as if you want to be make any type of sensor related information type, any type of robotic system, any type of home automation related things, and there are lots of things that we can use, we can do by just using this device, and the device name is an Arduino. So here we are. So see, it's the smallest type of circuit device where you can see there's actually a input USB cable which is used to upload the coding from this side. Okay, that means whatever the coding that you are doing in your software that you can directly upload in this platform here. So see, like the way it's you can see, suppose a human can easily able to see anything by using their eyes. Okay, and by the eyes the information is actually going to send to the brain, and brain performs the things according to our commands. So like the same thing, suppose you want to provide any type of information, any type of task using automatically using the coding type of information. So for that particular purpose we have this Arduino over here. Like the way I told that how our body system could get performs to see anything, to visualize anything, and to perform a task. Same thing we can implement using a robotic system as well, using automation system as well. So this Arduino works like your brain, that you can say. So see, it's a microcontroller based platform. What is meant by microcontroller? Let's see now, guys. Here we are, where I'm moving my cursor, a smallest chip. This chip are called as a microcontroller. So this microcontroller has its name, and that name is nothing but your Atomica 328. Okay, I will write down here on the chat box as well. So here it is. So this is the thing called as a microcontroller. So see, microcontroller is what? I will gonna make a different tutorial on the microcontroller where I will explain exactly what is it solve. But see, for a normal understanding purpose, right now I'm telling that this microcontroller is nothing but okay, which is used to perform a specific task. Okay? The use of this microcontroller is to be perform a specific task. Inside the Arduino, it's the main task of this microcontroller is to be control input and output at a single time. Input in the sense the information that user wants to be provide to the controller, and output in the sense the user is getting whatever he wants to take it from. Okay, for example, user wants to be make a LED light to be turned on. User can do, but for making that LED or the light to be turned on and off, user wants have to be provide the information to this microcontroller as input information, and that input information could be uploaded using the coding, and that's overall thing. As well as, for example, suppose you have any type of sensor. Okay, I will gonna make with the sensor also another tutorial, but for example, what is exactly the sensor is? Sensor, that means who could be take the information from the outside. For example, like your eyes, like your ears, these are our sensory organs in our body. Same thing, a sensors which is used in a particular robotic system, particular automation system. Okay, that just take the information from the outside. According to that information, they provide the signal to the controller based thing like your main brain. Like I told, this microcontroller is a brain of your Arduino. Okay, so it's take the information from the sensor and provide whatever have to be task should be get performed by the output component. Okay, that's overall thing. Okay, so here you can see. All right, so this controller has some inbuilt devices as all over here. That's as you can see, this cable over here, this cable are called as A to B type of cable. Okay, and here we are, these are some digital pins Digital and analog is nothing but which is a signal forms. Okay. Digital in the sense, okay, which is available in the numeric form, in the number form, okay, which has only two commands, okay, true and false. That means on and off. So as you can see over here, this is a 5-volt output power source which is coming from this side. This is the output voltage of your Arduino. Okay, maximum 5 volt, minimum 3.3 volt would be get generated. Some ground pins are there. Okay, some analog input pins A0 to A5. These are the analog information pins. I will tell you exactly on the tutorial of the analog as well what is exactly it means and what is it used for. Okay, but right now let's just understand it's normally used for the variation type of inputs and all. Okay, so here it is. These are the digital pins which used for the digital purpose. Digit in the sense maybe you know about a digital watch. It shows the digit and the numbers over that particular thing. So digit in the sense which is a number form which is make turn on and off for particular purpose for providing the signal and the command. Okay, in the form of only two, either this or either that. That is nothing but your digital signal. Okay, hope you all understand exactly this thing. And same thing, suppose you don't want to be continuously connect your Arduino along with this laptop. Okay, you want to take your platform anywhere after uploading the code, so you want to make this power on. How you can do that? Using this power jack. Here we can provide any type of external 9-volt battery or something like using DC power jack. Okay, so that you can provide here and to make it turn power on, because see once you uploaded the code inside this, so you don't need to upload it one more time. Okay, it's already there and this code will continuously get perform the information as well. So see, for example, I will show you a basic thing how we can perform any task using this. Okay, I will show you a normal example of how we can make a light turn and on and off. Okay, so here we are, this LED we have. Okay, so LED's two terminals are there. One is a cathode and other is an anode. Cathode in the sense which is provides to provide the ground here. Okay. But remember one thing, while connecting any type of LED, we have to prevent that LED from getting damaged. So using this component called resistor, we can do that. Okay. You have to be just connected to the ground pin here, and one is an anode pin that you can connect to any digital pin. But remember, wherever you are connecting, you have to do the code for that. Suppose I am connecting over here. Okay, and right now we have to do the code for this, like information to make this LED turn on and off for one second. When you open the code will have in the two different forms. If you want to go for blocks, you can go there. If you want to go for blocks plus text both, so you can go for this. Okay, if you want to go for the text, you can go for that. Okay, so for your understanding purpose, I'm going to show you in the form of both. Okay, block and the text. So as you can see on my screen, here we are. This thing are called as a block-based coding. This thing are called as your C++ language, which is a text-based coding. Okay, guys. So see here you can see some blocks are there, which is a high and the low condition. I'm gonna erase these blocks, no problem. Okay? If I erase this, some structure will be remains over that. This is a by default thing. It's never get disappeared. Okay. When you are just performing with the only text-based coding, so you can modify according to your use. But we will gonna learn about that thing as well. But let's just understand in the basic form how we can make it turn on and off using a normal block-based coding. Let's see uh, where our pin has been connected for the LED to make it turn on. It has been connected to the number 8 pin, yes or no? So let's see how we can do that. So we have to go for this block called output block. Output block in the sense our LED is output now. So we want to make this LED to be turn on for 1 second and turn off for 1 second. So we have to set the pin information. Which pin is this? 8 number pin. So go for this pin here, and here we are. High in the sense is nothing but to turn on. When you provide the wait for 1 second here, okay, after making it a high after the 1 second, again I need to use the same pin. Which pin? 8 number pin. But this time it should get off. Low in the sense off, okay. And again you have to provide wait for 1 second. So once you uploaded the code inside this, automatically this code will continuously perform. It's working. Okay, on for 1 second, off for 1 second. This will repeatedly perform until you doesn't upload any other code in that. Okay, so that's overall procedure. When you see this C++ code here, so it will be execute like your LED is a nothing but which has been connected to the number 8 pin. It is an output. when you talk about this. Okay, it's a command called digital write. I will explain exactly when we will gonna learn about the tutorial over the text-based coding. Okay, what does exactly digital write means and all. Here we are 8, the number pin is high, 8 number pin is low, and that's a raw thing. Okay, delay for 1000 millisecond, in the sense millisecond is nothing but 1000 milliseconds, you already know that is void for 1 second. Same thing, same structure which is performing over here is executing over here in this loop. Okay, so let's just start it now. When I click on this start simulation on the top, let's see how does it performs exactly. Let me just close the code first. Just a second, I think so. Little bit bug is there, we need to check with that. Yeah, okay, that was a little bit simulation problem, nothing more than that, guys. Okay, nothing to worry. So let's see, here we are, it's getting turned on and off, yes or no? So here we are, and let me go for the only block based coding. If I click on that, so you can see the same code is there, and when you start simulation again, it will perform the same thing. Okay, hope you all understand exactly how to make this LED on and off using the RD. This is nothing but the normal example of your on and off LED, okay, using the RD. So such a type of things we can do lots of things to be performed. So you'll be wonder, it's see, I am changing the pin number from this side to another pin. Okay, so what I simply need to do, I need to change the pin number from this side wherever we had connected. Suppose I'm connecting it to the number 9 pin, so I need to select for the number 9. That's it. And again, if I'm starting the simulation, you can see it's turned on and off. Okay, so remember always, whatever the pin number that you are using, you have to set that particular pin over here. Okay, so this is overall thing for today, guys. Hope you all understand the normal basic function of your Arduino. We can do lots of things. Okay, this is our first tutorial. Like the way we are going to learn about lots of tutorials in the future. Okay, this project name is LED Blink. Okay, all right, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Okay, we're gonna meet in the next tutorial where I will explain you exactly the more stuff over here, like related to the Arduino. Okay, this is our first video related to the Arduino series. Hope you all like this video. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.